Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review Ritual Labs Quiet Dose. Ritual Labs Quiet Dose is promoted as a ready-to-mix claiming powder that promises deep relaxation with just 4 simple ingredients. The brand highlights that it not only calms the nerves but also brightens mood while being easy to prepare. Just mix 1 packet with water and enjoy. They emphasize that it contains natural flavors, 0 sugar, and only 5 calories, which makes it sound like a healthy and light option for everyday use. While the product is marketed as offering clinical strength doses that actually work, there isn't enough independent proof to fully back up these claims. Many wellness powders make bold promises, but without transparent ingredients breakdowns or third-party testing details, it's hard to verify their effectiveness. Customer opinion online are mixed. Some users say they did feel more relaxed and enjoy the taste, while others felt no real difference after taking it. A few reviewers even mentioned that the results seem overhyped compared to what's advertised. Looking at the bigger picture, Ritual Labs Quiet Dose doesn't show major scam signs. It does deliver a real product and buyers do receive their orders. However, the effectiveness might not be as powerful or consistent as the company suggests, so while it seems to be a legit product, potential buyers should keep expectations realistic and not rely on it as a miracle solution for stress or anxiety. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.